Hi, good day everyone. This is Jay from Pageant Trend. I'm here with one of the most beautiful candidates of Miss Universe Philippines 2024 and she is representing Quirino. Here with Steffi. Hi Steffi.
Hi, Sir Jay. Thank you so much for having me here.
You're welcome and please greet our fans and supporters first.
Hi to everyone at Pageant Trend. I would like to say thank you for your support and sharing and don't stop believing in me. Thank
Yeah.
you.
All right. Congratulations first, Steffi, for your improvement in this Miss Universe Philippines pageant. And I've witnessed you since I saw you on the first press conference of Aces and Queens, right? And nung una pa lang, medyo shy type ka pa nung time na yon, di ba? So, ano nga ba, aside from your improvements sa pasarela mo and as well as sa pakikitungo mo sa mga other candidates, ano pa yung sa tingin mo yung nagbago dito sa pag-join mo sa Miss Universe Philippines?
Actually, dito sa Miss Universe Philippines, natuto akong maging confident lalo and natuto akong mag-walk ng pasarela. Actually, with Aces and Queens, they are helping me to be the beauty queen that I wanted to be.
Wow, talagang kitang-kita naman talaga improvement ni Steffi sa kanyang pasarela walk. And I like your yung pasarela walk during the Hello Glow, 'di ba? May papuso. Bonggang-bongga. Sino nakaisip nun?
Actually, pagka may ginagawa ko, lagi ko nilalagyan ng pagmamahal. Nung chineer mo ko noon, nung sa Hello Glow, sabi ko, sobrang feel na feel ko yung pagmamahal nyo. Kaya napahawak ako sa puso noon. Actually, yung prompto talaga yon.
Wow,
Yung prompto
bonggang-bongga.
talaga lang yun.
And take note ha, nag-trending yun.
Oh, thank you
Ano?
dahil yun sa inyo.
Yes. How do you feel about that?
Sobrang happy ako kasi nakikita nyo yung puso ko, yung pagmamahal ko, and work hard ko dito.
And we all know that you're as a mother. So despite of having a hectic schedule sa Miss Universe Philippines, so how do you relax yourself?
Actually, yung nakakaparelax sa akin is yung hugs ng mga anak ko. When they hug me, all the pains, all the hard work, all the yung pagod, lahat nawawala.
Bongo. And by that, of course, congratulations, dear. Siyempre, may prepare akong questions para sa'yo. So, you will be choosing the numbers you want. So, I'll prepare some questions 1 to 50 and you will choose, 5 numbers only. So, okay, pick or choose the number.
One.
Number 1, oh my God.
Number 1.
So the question is, if you could be any age for the rest of your life, which would you choose?
I would choose 22.
Why?
Feeling young, beautiful, and active all the time.
Oh, bonggong-bongga.
And at that age, I was already pregnant and I'm a mother na ako nun. So, that's the best age that I wanted to be.
All right. Thank you so much, Steffi.
Thank you.
Ayan. So, next number.
2.
Number 2. Your question is, what's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is butanding.
Ay, bongga.
Butanding as a diver kasi, I really appreciate how big and gentle they are. Even though they are big kahit ang lalaki nila pero gentle talaga sila.
Wow. Hindi ba nakakatakot?
Parang sa una nakakatakot siya pero hindi. Sobrang bait nila. What they eat is plankton. Sobrang laki ng mouth nila pero hindi ka nila kakainin.
So, hindi talaga sila kumakain ng tao, no?
Hindi.
Perf-
Vegan sila.
Perfect. Anyway, thank you so much once again,
Thank you.
Steffi. And your next
13.
number? Number 13. What's your favorite way to exercise?
Hindi ba censored yan?
What? Ibang ano na lang?
Biking.
Biking.
Yung biking. And also taking care of my kids. Actually, they keep me energized By just taking care of them, parang na ako.
Talagang na-exercise yung buong katawan
na ako.
mo, no?
Yes, with them.
Alright. Thank you so much, Steffi. Next number?
12.
Number 12. Your question is, what's your goal to breakfast order?
My breakfast food is longganisa, long silog.
Wow,
ng
bongga.
silog. Actually, that's my favorite, longganisa. Yung longganisa na ginagawa ni Mama.
Wow. Do you also know how to make longganisa?
Yes, yes. My favorite is the garlic longganisa that Mama is always making. So, ipapatikim ko yun sa'yo.
Ah, bonggang-bongga. I'm so excited for that. And I'm sure masarap yan, guys. So, anyway, last number.
Number 4.
Number 4, your question is, if you could only wear one color for the rest of your life, which one would you choose?
I would choose white.
Bakit?
Kasi I feel pure with white. As a nurse, kasi lagi ako nagwo-white. So, I get to used to be wearing white. Feeling ko so pure siya, so loving. And as a mother, it embodies white talaga.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Steffi, for sharing your little fun facts about yours. And
Ang cute!
now, you know, Steffi, kung sino siya as a candidate of Miss Universe Philippines, and get to know more about her. And please follow her social media accounts para malaman yung updates about her journey sa Miss Universe Philippines. And follow nyo rin pang Pageant Trend Facebook page and YouTube channel, of course.
Yeah.
Do you have any message to your fans and supporters, Steffi?
Thank you so much, Pageant Trend, for always being here for me. Please always support me, and also wag nyo kaming kakalimutan on May 22, Miss Universe Philippines Coronation Night.
And syempre, before Coronation Night, merong tayong preliminary competition. So, pwede na ba i-announce? Ah, sige. When is
The
that?
preliminary night is on May 19. May 19 na po. Please do watch.
Ayan, please do watch sa Manila Hotel ito, no?
Yes,
Bonggang-bongga.
Manila Hotel.
And syempre, wag niyo kalimutan support si Steffi sa kanyang journey sa Miss Universe Philippines. And please vote for her sa Miss Bingo Plus.
Miss
Is
Bingo
it still
Plus,
running?
Avon. Yes.
Ayan, sa lahat ng mga online voting sa Miss Universe Philippines,
And
especially sa mga
bullying.
sponsors. Ayan. So, vote niyo si Steffi, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Pageant Trend.
Thank you so much, everyone, for watching.
Thank you.
This is Jay, and this is Steffi, the Miss Universe Philippines Carino 2024. Thank you.
Hi.